Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use the purge command in AutoCAD. As you work on drawings in AutoCAD, the file can accumulate unused layers, blocks, line types, text styles, dimension styles, and other objects. Even though these items may no longer be visible or used in the drawing, they can still remain stored in the file and contribute to larger file sizes and unnecessary clutter. The purge command is designed to remove these unused items and help keep drawings clean, organized, and efficient. The purge command removes unused objects and definitions from a drawing. Purging helps you reduce file size, remove unnecessary data, organize drawings, improve performance, and simplify project management. Common purgeable items include unused layers, unused blocks, unused line types, unused text styles, unused dimension styles, unused materials, and other unused drawing definitions. Purge only removes items that are not currently being used. Objects actively used in the drawing are typically protected from being removed. Start by opening AutoCAD. Then open the drawing you want to clean up. The purge command operates on the currently active drawing file. Locate the command line near the bottom of the AutoCAD interface. Many AutoCAD management tools and utilities are launched through command line commands. In the command line, type purge, then press enter. The purge dialog box opens. This window displays all unused items that AutoCAD has identified within the drawing. Inside the purge dialog box, you'll see a list of available purgeable objects. Depending on the drawing, you may see layers, blocks, line types, text styles, dimension styles, shapes, and materials. Reviewing the list allows you to see exactly what unused content exists in the drawing. You have two options. Option 1. Select individual items. You can manually select specific categories or items from the list. This gives you greater control over what is removed. Option 2. Click Purge All. If you want AutoCAD to remove all unused items, click Purge All. AutoCAD select every purgeable item available. Why this is useful? It is the fastest way to clean an entire drawing. Once the desired items are selected, click Purge Checked Items. What happens next? AutoCAD removes all selected unused objects and definitions. Result: the drawing is clean of unnecessary stored data. Depending on the drawing, you may notice a smaller file size, fewer unused layers and definitions, better drawing organization. Unused definitions can accumulate over time, especially when copying content from other drawings, importing blocks, using external references, and editing old projects. Purging removes these leftovers. Professional CAD users often run purge before sharing drawings, archiving projects, plotting final drawings, sending files to clients or consultants. This helps ensure the file contains only necessary information. Additional tip: if you continue making major changes to a drawing, consider running purge periodically to prevent unused content from accumulating. What you just accomplished: you opened the drawing, launched the purge command, viewed unused items, selected purgeable content, used purge all or manual selection, removed unnecessary definitions, cleaned and optimized the drawing. Why purge is important? Purge is one of the simplest yet most effective maintenance tools in AutoCAD because it removes unused data and helps keep drawings efficient and organized. To summarize, using the purge command in AutoCAD begins by opening the desired drawing and typing purge into the command line. After pressing enter, the purge dialog box opens and displays all unused items that can be removed from the drawing. You can either manually select specific items from the list or click Purge All to select everything that is purgeable. Finally, click Purge Checked Items to remove the selected unused content. This process helps reduce file clutter, improve organization, and maintain a cleaner AutoCAD drawing. And that's how to use the purge command in AutoCAD. Regularly purging unused layers, blocks, line types, and other definitions is a simple way to keep your drawings efficient and professional. It's especially useful when working on large projects or preparing files for sharing and archiving. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.